Welcome everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this tutorial we're gonna learn about how to import the lists in your HTML file. There are two types of list. One is unordered list and one is ordered list. Let us do unordered list. I want to include in my lists some kinds of fruits. So first fruit I'm gonna choose is apple. So I'm closing the list tag, and again I'm opening the second list. The second list would be banana, and I'm closing the list. And then the third list, it is going to be some carrot. So actually carrot is not a fruit, just some random names like from A for apple, B for ball, like so. I've used all the three. So let us see. So I'm getting these bullet points. So the bullet points are for unordered lists. So I can change the style of my unordered list. So inside style I want to give lists, and then style is equal type. Circle. So basically circle will give like a circle. You can see it is not like a dot, it's like a circle. Okay. Now I want to change the circle into some other thing. What is square? So square is like some kind of boxes. You get boxes. See, you can see there. These are also like bullet points, but like in square shaped. So one more thing is there, and none. So and none is like just you see only the a list of things what you want to see without any bullet points or dots. So anything, any kind. So this is all about unordered list. So I want to say about the ordered list that you can do with a tag called ordered list OL. So now I'm tagging the order list, and I'm closing the ordered list. So in ordered list also there are types. So type 1 is for you'll get 1, 2, 3, 4 and etc. Let us see. You can see 1, 2, 3, and these are like normal numbers. And there is a type of capital letters or small letters also. For capital letters you get A, B, C, D. See the capital letters, you can see them, capital letters. And the small letters like small a, small b, small c and etc. You can see them clearly there. So now let us what if I want Roman numbers? Those Roman numbers I can just give a capital I or small I. A small I gives like a small Roman letters. See, this is all about order.